Hello guys, so we're going to study about internal resistance of a supply. So what is the internal resistance of supply? We'd love to go with this picture. So actually the current is the EMF is there, like this is a battery which is like the pink color. So the current is being flowed from positive to negative terminal. So actually now the proper sequence of the current flowing is actually flowed from the negative to the positive, but due to the EMF here going to be flowed from positive to the negative, and you can see the resistance in is in this battery, like in this EMF is in the resistance. So the current is being flowed from the positive to the negative. So now once time will be there, the both will have the same quantity. Like if this charge is being placed here, the one coming from the positive to the negative, so now it is positive. Now it have to pass from this negative to there, it have to jump from there. So when it have to jump from there, there will be some work on it that is known as EMF, and it will face some resistance also. So this resistance it faces from the internal battery known as internal resistance actually. So this is the resistance R. This is the smallest resistance of a cell because it's very small, so it's here, but it is the actual resistance that is being placed there. So if you're gonna open the circuit from here, like the circuit is open, so the circuit will be open, so no current is gonna be flowed, and the EMF is gonna be equal to the potential energy. But if the circuit is closed, if the circuit is closed, so everything will be fine, and the current will be being flowed, and there will not any problems. Okay, so we're gonna make a substance, like we're gonna say, like if you're gonna to have the things like internal resistance there, if we're gonna just say that thing, like we said, it's E is like the EMF actually, or like I said, potential energy. V is also like that. So V is equal to actually IR. So we have all the way go towards this V. V is now E. So it's E actually. So which is known as EMF. So E divided by R is equal to I. So there are two type of resistances. One is R, one is another R, the bigger one. So the things are like this. So now we're going to multiply I with these two R. So IR and plus IR bigger is there. So this IR bigger and this is going to be negative there. H is equal to V, which is equal to E minus IR. What this equation shows? This equation shows that if uh, this shows what this is saying, if R is zero, like there is no internal resistance, so I is automatically going to be zero because the current is not going to flow. If there will be EMF, so EMF, if the circuit is closed, so EMF will be minus, like not a full EMF will be there, but it will be minus to the current flow with the R, the internal resistance. This is known as the internal resistance of a supply. This is whole systematic thing for that all stuff.